In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix OneNote Not Online. This issue can be frustrating, but with a few simple steps, you can usually resolve it quickly. Let's get started. First, we need to check your internet connection. Open a web browser and visit any website. This confirms whether you're online. If the website loads, great, your internet is working. If it doesn't and you are using Wi-Fi, try reconnecting to your network or switch to another one. Sometimes, a simple reconnection can solve many issues. Once your connection is restored, OneNote should automatically reconnect. This is crucial because without a stable internet connection, OneNote cannot sync your notebooks effectively, leading to those not online messages. Next, let's sync the notebook manually. Open OneNote and navigate to File, then Info. Here you'll see an option for View Sync Status. Click on that and you will find the Sync Now button next to the affected notebook. You can also choose Sync All to ensure that every notebook is updated. Alternatively, pressing Shift and F9 will sync the current notebook. This step is essential because it forces OneNote to attempt a sync, which can clear up any temporary issues with connectivity. Now let's refresh the notebook. If you notice a yellow message bar or a Refresh Now button appearing, click on Refresh Now. This action prompts OneNote to reconnect and resume syncing. This fix is particularly recommended for notebooks that show saved offline or working offline. It's a simple action, but it often resolves syncing issues quickly, making sure your notes are up to date. Next, we need to verify that you are signed in properly. Go to File and then Account. Make sure you are signed in with the correct Microsoft account. If you notice any discrepancies, sign out and then sign back in. After that, reopen your notebook and check whether it reconnects. This is important because being signed in with the right account is necessary for OneNote to access your notebooks on OneDrive or SharePoint. Now, let's update OneNote. Open any Microsoft Office app, then go to File and Account. From there, select Update Options and click on Update Now. After the update installs, make sure to restart OneNote. Keeping your software updated is vital since older versions may not sync correctly, leading to various connectivity issues. If the desktop app is still showing as offline, let's try opening the notebook in OneNote for the web. Sign into your OneDrive account using a browser. Once signed in, open the notebook in OneNote for the web. If it opens successfully, this indicates that the problem is likely with the desktop app rather than the notebook itself. This step helps isolate the issue and can guide you towards a solution more effectively. Now let's restart OneNote and your computer. Sometimes temporary connection or authentication issues can be resolved by simply closing OneNote completely and then restarting your computer. After your computer has rebooted, reopen OneNote and give it a few moments to reconnect. This step often clears up any lingering issues that could be causing disruptions in connectivity. If you see an error code, there are specific actions to take. For E000006CCIG68, update OneNote to the latest version, then click Refresh Now when prompted. For error code 0xe40105F9, your OneNote version is outdated, so make sure to install the latest Microsoft Office updates and try syncing again. These error codes can guide you directly to the solution, ensuring that you can get back to work without delay. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your OneNote connectivity issues effectively. Thank you for watching.